Welcome to this comprehensive guide on the 5 core leadership skills you need to know. Whether you're stepping into a leadership role for the first time or looking to strengthen your abilities, these 5 foundational skills will set you up for success. Throughout this video, we'll break down each skill in detail: communication, decision-making, emotional intelligence, vision, and accountability. By mastering these skills, you'll be equipped to inspire your team, make confident decisions, and drive meaningful results. Let's dive in. The first core leadership skill is communication. Communication is the ability to clearly express your ideas, actively listen to others, and facilitate understanding among your team members. Great communication has 3 key components. First, clear expression. You need to convey your messages in a way that's easy for others to understand. Second, active listening. Take the time to truly understand what others are saying and the concerns they're expressing. Third, feedback exchange. Create an open dialogue that builds stronger relationships and trust within your team. Without strong communication, even the best ideas and strategies will fail to take root. The second core leadership skill is decision-making. Decision-making is your capacity to analyze information, weigh your options, and make informed choices that drive real results. Strong decision-making involves 3 essential steps. First, analyze data. Evaluate the facts available to you and consider the potential consequences of each option. Second, consider options. Explore multiple paths and perspectives before you commit to a direction. Third, execute with confidence. Once you've made your decision, commit to it fully and drive it forward with conviction. Leaders who make timely, thoughtful decisions inspire confidence in their teams. The third core leadership skill is emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence is the ability to understand and manage your own emotions, while also recognizing and influencing the emotions of those around you. There are 3 dimensions to developing strong emotional intelligence. First, self-awareness. Recognize your own emotions, your triggers, and how they affect your behavior. Second, empathy. Genuinely understand what others are feeling and going through. Third, relationship management. Use this awareness to build trust, resolve conflicts, and foster positive team dynamics. Leaders with high emotional intelligence create environments where people feel valued and understood. The fourth core leadership skill is vision. Vision is your ability to see the bigger picture, set inspiring goals, and guide your team toward a meaningful future. Effective vision has 3 critical components. First, big picture thinking. Understand the long-term implications of decisions and spot opportunities others might miss. Second, goal setting. Define clear, compelling objectives that give your team direction. Third, direction and inspiration. Motivate your team members to work together towards shared success. A compelling vision transforms individual efforts into a unified movement towards something greater. The 5th core leadership skill is accountability. Accountability is taking ownership of your results, following through on your commitments, and holding yourself and others to high standards. Strong accountability has 3 key behaviors. First, own your results. Take full responsibility for both your successes and your failures. Second, follow through. Deliver on the promises you make and meet the commitments you set. Third, raise standards. Establish clear expectations and hold your team members accountable to achieving them. Leaders who embody accountability earn respect and create cultures where excellence becomes the norm. Now that you understand each of the 5 skills individually, it's important to see how they work together. Communication is the foundation that all other skills depend on. It's how you express your vision, share your decisions, and build trust with your team. Emotional intelligence acts as the bridge between you and your people. It helps you connect with them on a human level, understand their needs, and inspire their commitment. Your decision-making skills paired with accountability ensure that your vision doesn't remain a dream but becomes a reality. Finally, your vision sets the overall direction and holds everyone accountable to meaningful outcomes. These 5 skills don't work in isolation. They create a powerful, integrated system that defines exceptional leadership. Your leadership journey starts right now, and here are 3 concrete steps you can take immediately. First, reflect on where you currently stand in each of the 5 skills. Be honest about your strengths and areas for growth. Second, practice intentionally. Pick one skill and apply it daily in your interactions until it becomes second nature. Third, evolve continuously. Track your progress, seek feedback, and commit to improving over time. Remember this important truth. Great leaders aren't born, they're built through intention, practice, and a genuine commitment to growth. You have what it takes to become an exceptional leader. The question is not whether you can do this, it's whether you're ready to start. The time is now.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.